Hello everyone. Another very important question asked by one of the learner driver, and she said during our exam, examiner asked her to turn right from the roundabout second exit, and she assumed the second exit is always straight ahead. So what happened is initially she took the right position on the right side, and when she entered in the roundabout, instead of carrying on the right side, all of a sudden she realized that she got into the wrong lane, even though she was not in the wrong lane because she was turning right and straight was not available. So what she did, as she entered in the roundabout inner circle, straight away she tried to go straight. She moved outwards towards the left, okay, because she thought that she's in the wrong lane and she wanted to go to straight, but straight was not available. So she had a bit of hesitation there, and examiner failed her for not planning ahead. Okay, so she was very much pissed off, very much frustrated, and she asked me, "Was that really fail?" I said, "Yes, 100%. That was a serious mistake, because first of all, if you are in the right lane, okay, there are on the approach of roundabout there are two lanes, and if you are in the right lane, no matter if straight is available or not available, you are in the right lane. You better off continue in that lane, turn right." But you made the changes last minute in the roundabout, okay, but initially you was absolutely in the right position, but obviously you had not a good knowledge of that. Okay, she told me basically when she was entering to the roundabout, there was not clear sign posted which was explaining that if you want to go second exit, and second exit will be right. So I said, if that was the case, so why did you go to the right lane then? Okay, you should have stayed in the left lane if it was not quite clear. But obviously she made a mistake, and that was 100% failure. But in this case, another scenario can be developed as well. For example, sometimes you are approaching to the roundabout, okay, and examiner asks you to turn right second exit, and whenever they use the word right, always go to the right lane. Okay, that's best option. Anyway, so what happens, sometimes people keep themselves on the left side because they think that straight ahead second exit is straight ahead over 12 o'clock. Yes, but soon they enter in the roundabout, then they realize there's no availability to go straight, okay, because second exit in this case is on the right side. So they all of a sudden change lane from left to right, okay, and they fail the test because somebody might be on the right lane at that time. So either way, if you move from left to right in the roundabout or right to left, you have to follow all the protocols. If you don't follow all the protocol means you have to check mirrors, you have to give signal, you have to look over the shoulder, and do not create problem for anybody. If someone is behind you, okay, you shouldn't cause obstruction for them, then you will pass the test. If that is not met, all those protocols are not met, then obviously you're going to be fail the test. If you watch route number 13, second part of the route number 13 on my YouTube channel, MK Driving Academy, you will find that roundabout. The roundabout is known as Bottle Dump Roundabout. It is in Bletchley, Milton, Keynes. It's near to the Wooden Village. If you are local, and you can find out that roundabout, but if you're not local, you can still Google it and look from the top and see what mistakes she made and how can you avoid that. Hope I answered the question. Thank you very much.